November 22, 2024, Friday. Good morning. This is Jadre Rosales, and you are watching Aguinaldo News. Philippine President Marcos Jr. orders a review Metro Manila flood control system. Ray Emanuel Gumaho was tonight top story.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. on Thursday said there is a need to re-examine the design for Metro Manila flood control project. A Philippines leader made a statement as he visited the flood arrest in Calamba to check on the situation of affected residents. Marcos, along with other cabinet officials, board a military truck of visit evacuation center in Malaysian National High School. Marcos said that this is a clear manifestation of the effect of the climate change.
Okay, I did this was to really inspect because I want to see what the situation was. We have more flood control projects compared before, but due to climate change, these are the effects of climate change. I hope we learn. Do not throw garbage everywhere, which block our pumping stations.
Prior to his visit, the president led the meeting in Malacanang where he was briefed by cabinet official of the effect of the typhoon Monsoon J.
Thank you so much, Ray, for the updates. We will be right back after the short break.
Energize with Milo every day and do charms like James.
Energize! Start your day the champion way. Healthy energy, energy gap. The energy gap. Drink Milo every day. Milo every day. With your 3 balanced meals, beat energy gap. Drink Milo every day. Milo every day.
Drink Milo every day and beat energy gap like a champ.
The Philippine economy grew by 6.3% in the second quarter of the year. To give us report, here is Frixwin Laho. Frix.
The Philippines economy grew by 6.3% in the second quarter of the year. According to the Philippines, verse 5.8% government spending showed the second quarter gross domestic growth plays well within the government 6 to 7% target for the year. This was the highest explosion since the 6.4 growth last year. The Philippine Statistics Authority at the explosion from the construction sector, which grew by 16%. That's latest update. Back to you, Jay.
Thank you, Frix. In another serious escalation in Middle East, Iran has launched a barrage of missiles towards Israel on same day.
Our correspondent Sheena is there now. Sheena.
Iran has threatened to carry out a further crushing attack on Israel after firing regional enemy. The latest warning from Iran came after Israel Prime Minister said his country would retaliate for the latest Iranian attack came after Israel announced a mayor around the offensive in southern Lebanon. Sheena Balais in Beirut, present Aguinaldo News.
Thank you, Sheena, for the latest updates there in Israel. We will be right back after the short break.
Time for a moment to breathe. Follow me and see. Relax with natural tea. Sea to green tea. 100% natural tea. Brewed fresh for you and me. Enjoy relaxing with natural tea. Relax the natural way with C2.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte files his COC as Davao City Mayor. Live now from Magsaysay Park, Davao City, Comelec. Ella.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte has filed his certificate of candidacy as Davao City Mayor for the 2025 elections. The former president filed his COC on Monday, October 7, 2024, along with his son, incumbent Davao City Mayor Sebastian Duterte. The incumbent mayor will run alongside his father as the vice mayor of the city. Meanwhile, his son, Davao City 1st District Representative Paulo Duterte, is seeking re-election after filing his COC on the same day in June. Vice President Sara Duterte said his father and brothers Paulo and Sebastian Duterte will run for senator in 2025 elections. However, the former chief executive denied they will run for senator in the upcoming midterm polls. That's the latest update here in Davao City. Back to you, Jay.
Kalinan Central Elementary School badminton players having a practice today in the preparation for upcoming Unit Meet 2024. Live from Kalinan Central Gymnasium. Ayesha.
Thank you, Jadre. The Kalinan Central Elementary School have 4 players from the boys category, 1 single A, 1 single B, and the 2 players for the double match. Their practice starts from jogging for 3 rounds, then after that, stretching, and that's the time they can hold their racket to start play on the court. Hi, how are you? I'm good. What's your name? I'm Kurt. What are some challenges during your practice? The challenge we face every time we have practice is that the time management since we have class and practice start at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So it's very short time only for us to train better. Thank you, Kurt, for your time and to respond my few questions about your practice today. Have a nice day and good luck. Back to you, Jade.
We are hoping that our badminton players will win this upcoming competition. We will come back after the short break.
Ang Palmolive Naturals may 100% natural coconut cream extract for hair na nagba. Bounce to the left, bounce to the right. Bongga hair bounce with Palmolive.
After a largely fine day on Saturday, it's going to be turning increasingly cloudy. Iza is joining our live. Iza, what is the update of weather during this weekend?
October 21, 2024, the tropical disaster has entered the PAR and was assigned the domestic name Christine. Mindanao will experience cloudy skies with scattered rain and thunderstorms, with the possibility of flash floods or landslide during heavy rains. Christine is forecast to intensify into a tropical storm in the next 12 hours. It may reach several tropical storm category by tomorrow afternoon or evening and typhoon category by Tuesday. Landfall over the northeastern portion of Cagayan. Since this tropical cyclone is still over the Philippine Sea, environment condition. That's the weather for Skate today. Back to you, James.
We hope that the good weather come for the next day. Thank you, Iza, and that's the weather for this weekend. We will come back after the short break.
Healthy gums? Yes. Try New Colgate Active Salt. New Colgate Active Salt, the cavity formula that can fight germs, help gums healthy and teeth strong. Okay, let's go. Active Salt, the cavity formula that can fight germs, help gums healthy and teeth strong.
The Philippine Showbiz latest update, Mariano Rivera wouldn't run for public office. Catalea and Jessa.
Politics in showbiz aren't the strange bedflow where actors and other celebrities were long been trying and proving their luck. Rivera would much rather focus on her charity work and raising her kids, Zia, 8 and 6 to 5 with her husband, actor, and TV host Ding Dong Dantes, or she can stick to what she does best and use her platform for politically and socially project. Like her latest movie, Balota.
Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Cinemalaya, marami pong salamat sa inyo. To my GMA family, thank you.
Critical run last October 16. That's the latest showbiz news today. Back to you, UJ.
Thank you so much, Catalea and Jessa, reporting live from Manila. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Again, this is JJ Rosales with Aguinaldo News for the latest news and updates. Have a great day.